down. Yeah.
Hello everyone, I'm Zirham Alfatati from grade 12 major in Natural Science of Alaina Islamic Senior High School. I'm going to show you how to use 2-tube washing machine. Well, this video is made as final project to fulfill the requirement for graduation. Okay, no need to be long, let's get started.
Cause you distract my mind while never trying to apologize. And I wish I knew the side you've shown me tonight. Like that as a stranger.
Okay, the first, fill the washing tub sufficiently. The volume of water can be determined by how many clothes are washed. Water filling can be done manually using a bucket or scoop, or can also flow water with a hose into the tube. And the second, add enough detergent. Let the detergent mix with water evenly. After that, set the washing time with the available panels. Determine the washing time by turning the timer panel on the washing machine. Adjust the washing time according to the amount of laundry and type of laundry. After the washing time is over, drain the water by turning the existing drain panel. Put water back in and repeat the wash cycle 2 times to remove any residue from the detergent. After the residue is gone, any clean clothes drain the water and transfer the laundry to the drying drum. Remove the clothes manually and secure with the existing cover. Close the drum and adjust the drying time by turning the dryer panel. After the drying time is finished, open the drum and take out the laundry. Dry the laundry in the sun.